Emma. Emma. Oh, look at you. Oh, strong girl. You're a drooly girl. Are you trying to crawl? Are you trying so hard to crawl? Oh, you just can't get the legs to do it. What are you doing? Oh, you're so close. Look at those little legs going. Look at those legs going. Oh, you're trying so hard. Oh, no. You're so close. You're so close. Oh, big girl. Oh. Okay. Okay.